Question. A alone and B alone can complete a work in 12 days and 24 days respectively. They start the work together, but 4 days before the completion of the work, A leaves. In how many days was the work completed? Options are option A, 10 4 by 5, option B, 10 2 by 3, option C, 6 4 by 5, option D, 7 5 by 6, and option E, 9 2 by 3. In the question, they given that here A alone complete the work in 12 days and B alone can complete a work in 24 days. They start the work together, but 4 days before the completion of the work, A leaves. Now we have to find in how many days the work was completed. Let's see the solution. In the question, they given that A alone complete the work in 12 days. So A alone complete 1 by 12th part of the work in 1 day. In the question, they also given that B alone complete the work in 24 days. So B alone complete 1 by 24th part of the work in 1 day. Now A and B started work together. Let's assume the total number of days to complete the work in X days. And in the question, they also given that A leaves before 4 days completion of the work. So A's working days is equal to here X days taken to complete the work and A left before 4 days completion of the work. So that is X minus 4 days. So A worked for X minus 4 days. We know that A alone complete 1 by 12th part of the work in 1 day. So A complete X minus 4 by 12th part of the work in X minus 4 days. And also they given that the remaining work is completed by B alone. Here A and B initially start together, but B alone worked up to completion of the total work. So it means B worked for X days. We know that B alone complete 1 by 24th part of the work in 1 day. So B alone complete X by 24th part of the work in X days. Now find the total number of days to complete the work when A and B work together. A worked for X minus 4 days plus B worked for X days. That is equal to 1. Here A's work in X minus 4 days is X minus 4 by 12 and B's work in X days is X by 24. After solving this, we get X is equal to 32 by 3. So total number of days to complete the work is 32 by 3. That is 10 2 by 3. So the answer is option B, 10 2 by 3.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn 4 more and check our channel for complete free learning videos.